372 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and it's still going on after 1 year. Yeah. Um. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, October the 14th, 2024. Not so good news today because we have only 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. There's no additional. Let me show you. No additional in today's newspaper. No additional with extra puzzles. So for today, yeah, 3 puzzles, 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. Yeah, no. Alright. First one, what I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. This one here. The 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number number 9431. Yeah, 9431. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, or for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 1 star or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the... let me see. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the last column, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in this second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4. Now I cannot continue with 4. And let me see for another digit. 5, 5. 7 here. Need a 3 there. 5 there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this one, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row 3 in the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. 3 in this row. Last row, 3 in a row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column 3, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, from the third row, the only two places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Still, I cannot continue with the 4. How about 2, 2, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 in those two boxes. One box left, an 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Need 8 there or here. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about, need 1 here, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 2, 2. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 5. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column, so the column 3, the only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5, need a 5 there, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. 5, 5. Oh, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 5. We have 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. The only place left with 5 should be there. Alright. Two numbers left now in the first row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair should be the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. It's missing the 6. 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Then in the 2 here. 2, 9, and a 1. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Well, we need an 8 here. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be in, and 9 goes there. Three missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in the last row. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 4 goes there. Now I can complete the 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9, I believe. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 to 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1, 2, 1, and 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. Then 1 and 9. Okay, 1 and a 9. Yeah. 9 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and a 9 in this row. The 1 and a 9 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So first column, the only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 now in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 9 goes there. 30 minutes. Wow. Faster than 15, faster than 14, should be at 0 stars. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve myself. Thank you for watching. If it's going too fast, you can also rewind the video and play it slower. If you have any remarks or comments, just place it under. If I'm going too fast, well, maybe next time I will do it slower. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.